Hi everybody, I'm Helen and you're watching Los Angeles English School YouTube channel. Thanks very much for joining me today. In this video, we're going to talk about inversion of verb and subject. It happens when we change a normal word order of a sentence to be more dramatic or emphatic. I have already made a similar video before and now you must be seeing a pop-up with this video, so I recommend that you check this out. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of all our upcoming videos. Also, if you want to study English, you can do it with Los Angeles English School from any point of the world on Skype. So I'm encouraging you to visit our website, and I will put the link to the website in the description below the video. So, as I promised, we're going to take a look at inversion of subject and verb, and we'll take a look at some expressions that are called adverbial expressions of negative meaning and limitation. And with these adverbial expressions, you will need to use inversion. So you actually don't need to use it, but you may use it if you want to sound more emphatic and dramatic. So let's take a look at a few examples here. For example, the adverb seldom. So I can say, seldom will you see her reading. Little do I know about you. Never before have I come across such a complicated issue. Nowhere else will you find such beautiful and lovely beaches. Only when you talk to me did I realize how crucial it is. At no time should you do this. On no account must you go there. Not until the rain has stopped will I be able to go there. So, as you've probably noticed, we start a sentence or maybe a clause with the adverbial expression. And then if we have an auxiliary verb, we just put it straight away after these adverbial expression. For example, seldom will you see him reading. So seldom, it's this adverbial expression, and then you use the auxiliary verb that is already there, will. Seldom will you see him reading. What happens if we don't have any auxiliary verb in a sentence? We just put the to-do verb in the correct form. For example, little do I know about you. Little, and then you add do. Little do I know about you. All right, and now let's have practice. So you will see usual sentences like this one. Visitors to the forest must on no account light fires. So try to use inversion to sound a bit more dramatic or emphatic here. So you will just need to use on no account at the beginning of the sentence. On no account must visitors to the forest light fires. So on no account must visitors to the forest light fires. And I also recommend that you repeat the sentences after me so that you work out your muscle memory. So, on no account must visitors to the forest light fires. So let's take a look at another sentence. We had little idea of what to expect from our unexpected guests. This one is a bit tricky. You need to make it a little bit more, so you need to do a little bit more changes. So it will be something as, little did we know of what to expect from our unexpected guests. Little did we know of what to expect from our unexpected guests. Little did we know of what to expect from our unexpected guests. I've seldom seen such a determined person. How about this one? Seldom have I seen such a determined person. Seldom have I seen such a determined person. And here's my favorite example. The zebras had no sooner entered the water than hungry crocodiles showed up. So the inversion will be like that. No sooner had the zebras entered the water than hungry crocodiles showed up. No sooner had the zebras entered the water than hungry crocodiles showed up. I have never before seen such a spectacular waterfall. How about this sentence? Never before have I seen such a spectacular waterfall. Never before have I seen such a spectacular waterfall. The internet wasn't a widespread phenomenon until the 20th century. Here, I just want you to think a little bit further, a little bit more, and try to use the expression such as not until. And the answer is, not until the 20th century was the internet a widespread phenomenon. Not until the 20th century was the internet a widespread phenomenon. And here comes another example. The staff are in no way to blame for the problem. Again, the inversion will be, in no way are the staff to blame for the problem. In no way are the staff to blame for the problem. Great job! And now let's personalize our practice. So, could you please come up with a safety rule for visitors to a safari park and use the adverbial expression on no account, and of course the inversion. On no account. So my example. On no account should visitors to a safari park feed predators. Now pause this video and in the comments below, write down your own example. On no account, write a sentence about one of your adventures or trips that you had and start your sentence with no sooner, blah, 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 than. My example. No sooner had we gotten comfortable on the beach than it started to rain. No sooner had we gotten comfortable on the beach than it started to rain. Now your example. Pause the video and write down your example. Share a little fact from your biography. Start your sentence with not until or not since. My example. Not since I turned 22 have I been able to earn enough money to live off. Not since I turned 22 have I been able to earn enough money to live off. Don't forget, right now, pause the video and write your sentence in the comments. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for being with me. If you happen to like this video on inversion, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. And also make sure to share the video with people who you love or know. Also, if you want to study English, don't forget that you can do this from any point of the world with Los Angeles English School. I'll leave the link to our website in the description below. Thanks again for being with me, and I wish you have a fantastic day. Have a great one. Bye!